Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to do a very quick video on a BMW to show you where to find the fuse if the trunk light does not work, the one in the trunk, or the glove compartment, the glove box light does not work. There is one fuse for those, and we'll show you where to find that one now today guys. Ours works, but it didn't in the past, so we had to replace it, and I'm going to demonstrate it now. So we have more than 200 views guys on this car. Give a thumb up for all the work we do here. It takes quite a bit of time, so we'll be uploading quite a few videos. If you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. Now we'll need to open the glove compartment, and you can see our light works now. But let us show you where the fuse is for the glove box light and for the trunk light. It's one fuse for both of them. You can see this cover right here will need to be removed by turning this thing up, and there is one more on this side. The cover comes down. Now this is where your where your fuse box is located, behind the glove box. So now we need to come on the bottom side, right here, and you can see those little fuses in a row. The last one, it should be the sixth one from left to right, or the first from right to left little one. This is the one for the light. It's fuse number 61 in our case. Now that generation BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes, so you need to double check that this is the correct one for you. We'll get the fuse puller now. And let me go ahead and pull that guy out, and check out, our light just died now, and it doesn't work at all. Now I'll get the fuse and I'll install it. That's what it looks like in our case. You always have to make sure that the amperage is the same for yours, and just push it in. Now it's a little bit challenging how I'm going to get that thing in, to be honest with you. I got it in, and the light works now. So this is guys the fuse in our case for the glove box and for the trunk as well. Do not forget to install your fuse puller like I almost did, because next time if you need it, it's not there. It's really hard to remove a fuse. So I'll go ahead, install our cover, close the glove box guys, and again, if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It takes us quite a bit of time to make those videos for you, so hopefully they will be helpful to some of you. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.